We back live. We ain't been live in what a couple weeks. Seem like we back. Wait till a few people come in. How y'all doing? Welcome to the live chat. Remember to mm-hmm. What's good with it, fam? Khalil Smalls, what's up? Peace and love, fam. Let's get it. Go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that like button one time. 30 of y'all just hopped in. Only one like. That's crazy. Been a while. We done one of these. What's good, big dog? Yeah, it's been a minute, fam. What's up? Let's get it. Let's get it, fam. Blessings. It's been a minute. The market has been crazy. The market has been weird, very weird lately. I gotta say the best time when the market's been the way it's been acting between this week, last week, the week before last, those weeks where you could just step away, go, and those moments is gonna really be more pleasurable once you get up in the market. I mean, when you're trying to grind, trying to make money out of the market, you eager to make money, of course you ain't want to hear that. You ain't want to hear taking off. You ain't want to hear not trading or hear during uncertain times like this week, last week, and the week before. You ain't want to hear not trading like that because obviously, you ready to make like I'm ready to get up. I'm ready to make some bread. But it's like once you already up a few thousand or 10,000 or 20,000 or $100,000 on the market, then you can more sit on the sidelines and not really force it or worry about trading during, unpredictable times like now. Meaning it's still predictable. You can pretty much predict it and damn near be wrong, right, wrong, right, wrong, right. And you can still have a profitable portfolio being right and wrong 50% of the time, as long as your losses is small. Losses small, wins, taking advantage. Simple, right? But what I'm saying is during times like that though, we're gonna be more meticulous and just let the feds and the government and the algorithm play with itself instead of playing with us. Just play with yourself. We'll sit back and watch you go back and forth. So, anyways, what's good, South Carolina fam? What up with it, fam? Let's get it. What's the play tomorrow? I always follow you, bro, but I've never ever played with you. It's time to get these games. Let's get it, fam. The play for tomorrow, we in Bed Bath and Beyond. We in Bed Bath and Beyond and in the bank play. We're in Bed Bath and Beyond and First Republic Bank. First Republic Bank on the coordinates today, it broke below that 1350. I know you guys probably asking about that. And like I told you, I'm glad we're on live able to talk about it. Even though that's why I say sometimes you have to use our intellect. And I could have been wrong. I'd have been willing to, I was willing to bite the bullet because I know my observation and what I seen with this is gonna be 100% correct. And I mean it could be wrong, but that's no. Come on now, market. Don't try to play me like that. And that's why I know whenever they try to play me, because people of my caliber, people that got this in the market, the algorithm, they know people know this stuff as well. So that's why they'll try to make moves like they did with this stock and try to mess up my psychology. And to see they dropped it up under the target of 1350. And as soon as it dropped under there, that jump dived down very quick. Went down like 1320 fast. So my thing was I didn't sell, even though I know it was the key moment, the key point to sell. And I could have sold there and bought back lower at 1320 or whatnot, but I just knew it wasn't going to do too much damage, or I felt as if it was a fake out, because that's the key that I look for. If it would have gradually sold, if it would have gradually slowly went down to that price target and broke it, I would have sold. But by it doing it fast, I didn't sell, because usually from my standpoint, everybody's different. But from my experience, my knowledge, and what I see and what I gather, whenever it happened very sudden and very quick like that, the way it did, it usually is going to come back just as fast. Meaning it's just doing that to take out some stock losses and to get people that seen what I seen to get them up out of the trade. Soon as they get out of the trade, it's going to shoot back and end the day right where it should have been, right where it should have been the whole time. That's why that stock ended up ending at what 1368, right near that 1350 barrier. So just to explain that, so I ended up saying in it, and then whenever a significant move is about to happen with a stock, like I'm expecting with this one, they're gonna do everything in their power to try and get you up out of there before they move. Like I could see this. I ain't want to jinx myself or nothing like that, but I could possibly see in this. And I ain't even want to. Well, I ain't gonna say jinx myself, but bump it. It is what it is. But I could possibly see this bad boy. If the ones that heal, I hope you guys ain't get tricked out or know that going in the future. Just you got to use that intellect. You got the coordinates on where to get out at. But sometimes if judging by how, that's what you can use the judgment off of. How did it come down to that support level? If it gradually went down to that target, I would sell it. But if it went down fast, like very, very quick, suddenly, I'm like, come on, y'all messing with me. Y'all playing games. I might hold you. I might wait you out and see if you really about what you talking about. That makes sense. So I mean, it makes sense to me. That's the way I do it. That's the way I'm trying to, explain to you guys. But anyways, I could see this opening up at $17 though, $18, maybe even $30. And if it does that, it's going to explain exactly why they try to get me up out of here. Cause I risked being down $1,000 in order to make $10,000. But that's what this play could produce, $10,000. And it could do it in the morning if it opened up how it's supposed to. And especially by dropping and panicking and rerouting and end the day like it did. Volume, it definitely could do something nice. You guys have you seen First Citizen Bank? First Citizen Bank had went crazy. Y'all already know what I'm about to do over there with that one. But Bed Bath & Beyond, we in that. They been playing games with that. AMC, we alerted that right before the takeoff, right before it took off. It seemed like every time before when AMC in the past went from $5 to $7 to $8 quick. We caught that. That's when I made the $10,000 in an hour on options with AMC because we caught it like right before, boom. Like yeah, can't miss it. Can't miss it. They'll catch me slipping sometimes and I miss it, but I haven't yet. But I just know in the future, like, I could be busy, occupied, doing something. Like, dang, I missed it. I rarely ever miss an opportunity, though. I mean, a great opportunity. I miss a lot of opportunities. That's the thing. You want to miss opportunities. But I mean, the greatest, the good opportunities, the ones you don't really want to miss. I barely miss those. GME been acting crazy. Definitely, they let it run a little bit, and then they don't. Then scared for it to drop. Cause after it ran up like that, that's supposed to be in drop. AMC up tomorrow. They are starting to realize we are not doing money no more. That's right. What do you think about Zuru? Price prediction for BBY. I'm looking for Bed Bath & Beyond to go towards Bed Bath & Beyond have a resistance at 83 cents. It break above 83, 85 cents. It's going to fly straight to around 95 cents once it break through that 83. It break through that 83, 85 cents. It can go straight up to, it can go 95 because that was what it previously tested at, but it's really going to go after breaking 83 straight to $1. $1.03, $1.04. It's going straight there. That's why they holding it back. That's why they playing games with it, because when it go, it's going to go, and it possibly is going to go up 100% in a single day. I done seen it happen in the past multiple times. Bed Bath & Beyond is more likely to go up 100% in a single day than GME or AMC combined. GME will do a 30% a day. AMC will do a 15% a day. That's about the best they'll do. And I mean, of course, they can get better than that, but I'm just saying on normal, what we seen, that's where I get my information from, the history. We can foresee the future and give our opinion, but where the real facts come in is from the past. So that being said, GameStop, by the best it did, all back in the day too, was 33%, 30%, AMC 15%, 20%. Just look at the track record. Bed Bath & Beyond though, when it go, guess what it's going to do? 70% plus, 30% easy. It'll do that in a couple minutes, but 100% $80 to $1.60. I could see it happening. But the first target, obviously, don't wait for all that. First target would be the high 90s and the low $1 range. That's definitely the first target. You'll sell out, get out of there with, great gains. And I would get out of that point, wait for it to dip, get right back in, and probably sell again once it get over $1, a little further over $1. That's how I play BBY. And for the downside, even if I got to sell again, because even like I like to say protected. Even at such a great deal, it's like Bed Bath & Beyond shouldn't have no choice but to go up from here, right? I'm even protected to the downside. Now it's at 80 cents. If Bed Bath & Beyond cracked below 75, 76, I'm out of there once again. And I probably would sell before that at 77, 78 cents. It all depends on how I feel and what the market sentiment is looking like. I sell again for 2 to 3 cents loss. I'm okay with losing that 100, 200. I lose that multiple times. I lose 100, lose another 100, lose another 100. As long as I'm cutting them losses small. But as soon as Bed Bath & Beyond take off like I'm expecting to do and know what it's going to do, I play it by ear. Soon as I got out at 78 cents, say if I got out a great position, I got out and then I got out and it dropped to 60 cents, 50 cents. Now I'm able to reload, rebuy, get way more than I bought at 70 something cent. And now I'm gonna make even way more money because it's gonna go from 50 cent. But got to go back at least 70 cents now. I ain't even worried about you going to $1 no more. That's out of the picture. You at 50 now. Now I'm gonna sell you at 70. You're gonna get back there with ease. So that's how, just giving you guys the perspective how you need to do things, how I move. And that's how I would do Bed Bath & Beyond. And then right, how you get it. You got it. I explained it. What's the price prediction for tomorrow morning? Why are you expecting BBY to squeeze? I mean, it's a meme stock, fam. Like it's a squeeze play. Like that's what it do. What it's been doing this whole time. Like AMC, GME, all this, they ain't running off of fundamentals. It's running off of the people, off the supply demand. They ain't worried about going out of business and all that stuff. It's just the price action. And ain't really a squeeze. And you guys' definition of a squeeze is something going from $1 to $1,000, or AMC going from 5 to 1,000, or 5 to 400. That's a squeeze for you guys. So I don't expect BBY to squeeze, if because that's what you guys call a squeeze. My definition of a squeeze, I'm fine. A squeeze to me is 200, 300%. Hell, that's a squeeze. It'll take you 20, 30 years to make that type of money in the overall market. How is that not? But you guys, most people delusional, they say 10,000, 100,000% is a squeeze. So I don't think BBY is a squeeze. I just think it's a price action play. It's going to go from 80 cents to $1. That ain't no squeeze. I don't think it's no squeeze. I mean, it would be in options, it'll be a squeeze to me if it goes from 80 cents to $1.60 and I'm up over what, 1,000%. Yeah, that'd be a squeeze. I mean, it'd be a squeeze in that standpoint. But even like, that ain't no squeeze. So yeah, I don't expect BBY to squeeze from 80 cents to nothing else. Like, but a few cents, $1 or $2, maybe $3, and it could go all the way to $5. But some people still wouldn't call that a squeeze. So it all depends on what you guys' definition of a squeeze is. But I don't really care about the word squeeze. I don't think I'm just trying to make a percentage, trying to make 50%, 100%, 200%, or I'm trying to lose 30% or 20% and keep the ball rolling. I don't care if it's squeeze or not. Mullen has plenty of potential to squeeze. I'm trying to catch the AMC squeeze. What the thousands are we talking about? What the thousands are we talking about? Fam, you ain't even in VIP. So you just would, I don't know. I'm talking about the thousands of what we about to make from options, like from option contracts, depending on what you put in. Like if you only got $20 in, of course you ain't gonna make you ain't gonna make thousands of dollars. If you got a few $100s in during earnings, yeah, you can make a few $1,000s. But me just speaking in general, I have a few thousand on a bank play. So I was just saying thousands of dollars should be made tomorrow. Just speaking into existence and seeing what, should already happen. Not really speaking it, everything lined up for it to happen or what I expect to happen. But I mean, that's just to put icing on the cake as well. Just speaking it too, I guess. But yeah, that's what I mean by thousands, bro. That's what I'm looking to make tomorrow. That's all. By the plays I'm already in. When Amazon offer is approved, AMC will shoot to 50. Yeah, I got 2 BBY and 1 AMC contract for the week. Offer the calls. Let's do this. Will Carvana ever go back up? Uh, I'm not sure, fam. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. That's not really, you know, not really certain things. I don't really be in tune. I don't really care about with none of these companies go up. I don't care if they go up or down. My main thing is identifying opportunities before they go up or down and making my money, making 50, 100, 200,000%, or losing 10%, 20%, 30%. I don't really care what they do after that. I don't care what none of these companies' future looking like. Only thing I'm gonna do is just take advantage of them in the midst of the move. That way, I don't care what happened to the, I'm good. That makes sense. I done got tied up in, oh, I need this to do that. I need that to do this and this to go up. I need that to happen. I just go with the meat of the move, timely, conservative, meticulous, very educated decisions. So I feel like that's, way better. I'd rather know every day when I come to the market, either I'm about to just chill, take no trade at all, and if I do risk my hard-earned money, I'm either coming out with a small loss, and I know what I've made or lost for that day, or I'm coming out with a nice little gain. Sometimes the game will be, more than expected, big, but most of the time I'm just going for a single. Just give me a single. 50%, 50% options, that's kind of, 40, 50%, that ain't too hard to get. That's ideal, a single. And 100% plus would be a home run. So single, 30%, even 30%, 30%, 40%, 50%, that's a good time, good singles. Like if you taking on a trade that, during the market sentiment, uncertainty, choppiness, go ahead and take it at that 30. But usually in options, the plays that we're going to wait for, 50% plus, like you really 100% because we waiting on these gap fill plays. Like we just sit back and wait for that AMC, like the play we call AMC today. Like AMC broke 464, gap fill up to 540. Whole dollar, damn near 80 cents. That's what you want to wait for because that's going to give me that 100, 200% return. You get what I'm saying? So appreciate that, fam. That love, Ramona Garcia. That's love, fam. If this market crash down like it's supposed to, you looking to go long on gold? I'm waiting to buy some lead calls on a couple gold tickets. I don't know, fam. I mean, that's good. That's great. I mean, gold is going to continue to do well. And if the market crash, I just be looking for, opportunity. The opportunity just pops up. It just come to me. I don't know where I be looking for the opportunity at, honestly, fam. It just want to come to me. As I do my thing, I do my research, news articles pop up, I see what, sectors is hot, all that stuff, it just want to come. I don't know exactly where I'm going. If it crash, I'm going to be buying puts on the companies that's already up, like Tesla. Remember, it was just at 120. It's still chilling up there at 190, 200. Scared to drop. You know what I mean? Then it dropped a couple times. We made the money, but I was looking for Tesla. They supposed to be scared people out of there. It's supposed to drop $30, $40 in a single instance. I mean, well, at least $20 in a day, just like that. And it did do that one day. But the way they do it is they let it run up, so the drop won't be as bad. Tesla be at $200, but it'll run up to 210, and then it'll drop to 190, and that's a $20 drop. But it's still at 190. You get it? So pay attention to stuff like that. They do stuff like that. It's called giving themselves leverage. Whenever they can no longer continue to hammer the market down, sometimes they'll run the stocks up. We done seen it before. It done been happening. You pay attention to it. They'll run stocks up just to bring it back down that kind of have leverage. I can't really explain it that. I did a very well explaining it with Tesla just now, but you get what I'm saying. They run it up for some reason to have leverage when they bring it back down. I can't really explain it well, but I get it. But I can't really articulate it to give it to you just yet. But just little, little stuff like that. That's what they be doing. They be doing stuff like that. You gotta pay attention to them. What's up, bro? What up with it, fam? Do you think AMC is gonna go up or down tomorrow? That's the thing, fam. I don't. I mean, I can give you my opinion on it, but it ain't like I'm counting on to do either or because I'm not. Whenever I alerted in VIP, I sold it, and I was gonna alert it again whenever it dipped because after we sold it at 529, 530 ish, I seen it dip down to 497, 496. Had my hand on the trigger to alert it right back in VIP, and it'd have been up by the time it went into close. That'd have been up again right now. But I didn't alert it. And the reason being is because, we already made the money. Everything was solidified. I'd rather see how it play out going into tomorrow and possibly get in on the dip because I know so much traffic gonna try to get in now why they heard that news and everything like that. And I know AMC, it'll run up and give those gains back and stay stagnant. So I just want to see, is it going to show me the same signs of strength and continuation going into tomorrow before I alert and move and make a move with AMC? You know what I mean? Because I already made the money. So it ain't like me learning and what I learned from my mistakes is when I make money out of something, I don't want to be in such a rush to put that money right back in it and give them that hard-earned money right back to it. You get what I'm saying? I'd rather, sit on that money, wait for it to play out, see what the next move could possibly be, and then get in at the best possible point and not rush in. Because just getting right back in today, that'd have been rushing in and not getting in at the best possible point, waiting to see what support may form. Even if it just want to run, I just let it loose, like just run and let it and miss it. You know what I mean? But I know I ain't going to miss it because even when you think you missed it, you don't miss it. Because if I, say if you do, make a mistake or not make a mistake or you missing it, get gone. AMC just all of a sudden just go ballistic. Me personally, I wouldn't care because I just let it run. I sit back, let it run, do your thing, AMC. I miss you. Sheesh, I'm mad. But I know it's going to come right back down. When it come down, it's going to go down harder than it went up. So I let it run to 50, 60, 100, wherever it want to go. And by knowledge and experience and the sentiment of the market, I know when it's about to change directions. And I just buy at the top. Buy at the top, but I'm buying puts. And I'm going to make the same money on the way back down. So that's how it was. So I don't really be too caught up in what the stock is going to do tomorrow or what the move is going to make. I let the stock react, and I react to the stock. You get what I'm saying? But I'm already knowing the reactions that it could possibly make before it make the reaction. So I'm already knowing once it make the reaction, I can then play it by ear. I got it. Leverage. That's exactly my problem. Hayes is a option player. He in and out like Mayweather. I don't blame him. The market is too wicked. That's right, fam. The market is wicked out here. Got to be in and out, in and out. Do you think AMC is going to go up? What's good? I sure heard it's 2K. Will Carvana ever go back up? When Amazon learn missing out is better than a L from FOMO. That's right, fam. Yes, sir. Missing out is always a blessing too. Get them right school. Yup. What time is it? 11:10. Hit the bed in a little bit. Man, going to bed late. I need First Republic Bank to go crazy tomorrow though. That need to go crazy. And I need First Citizen Bank to crash. I need that to drop $100 in the pre-market. I'm just calling, I'm just talking, I'm just saying where I need that. And I need Bed Bath & Beyond. I need that to go to $1.03 in the pre-market. I love when the pre-market go ahead and does well. Go ahead and do what I need for you to do in the pre-market. So that way, I ain't got to worry about you doing it when the market open. Go ahead and be up before the market even open. Don't make it hard. Don't try to wait to the bell and shake the tree a little bit. Go ahead and be up. I'm just talking, guys. I'm just talking, saying my thoughts. Quick question, bro, that I'm not aware of with options. If I buy a stock like AMC, betting for it to go down on March the 31st, and today is March the 30th, and it went today to, can I cash out in profits? If I buy a stock like AMC, betting. Yep. If you bought AMC today, bro, and you want to sell in the next second or next minute, you could sell it for the profit. Thanks, B, for the information. I'm thinking the same way. You welcome, fam. Let's get it. Remember to keep that cup of H2O next to your bed for the mornings, bro. That's a bet, bro. Ha ha ha. Bed, bath, and I mentioned the water next to your bed. Ha ha. That's a bet, bro. I'm in that position right now, up in Lulu earnings at the hours. I don't know, should I sell it open? You right. When that bill hit, they drop them stocks. You already know it. They take out them stop losses. But you guys already know it. I'll let you guys tomorrow. I get on live tomorrow, probably around this time or early. I don't know. You already know though. I love you guys. I'll let you boy. Add me over there on Instagram. Add me over there on Instagram at the Behave Show _ or whatnot. Yup. All that good stuff. Deuces, y'all. It's Gucci. Appreciate you, bro. Have a good night. Have a good night.